My name is Laura Jones, and I'll be your child's geometry teacher this year. I would like to take a few minutes to introduce myself and to go over some key highlights about my course. To start, geometry is unlike any math class that your child has ever taken before. So far in their math curriculum, they've taken pre-algebra, algebra, and then we have them take geometry, which is an entirely different way of thinking. There's a really wonderful reprieve that happens during this course that allows their mathematical creativity to start to grow. However, because it is so different, there are challenges that students can face while transitioning into this abstract way of thinking. What I ask of my students is to embrace the challenge, to develop as students to overcome the discomfort of having multiple pathways to get to different answers, and to be kind to themselves when facing these challenges. This will be their first honors level math class at Fairview High School, and it is meant to be challenging but attainable. I ask that as parents and guardians, you will help your child embrace the challenge of the course and to know that I am here to support and help them as both students and individuals. Here are some key highlights about my course. Vocabulary is vitally important in this course. Students are expected to have a thorough understanding of the definitions, theorems, and postulates we cover in class. The application in this course is based off of knowing the vocabulary. Students will need to take time outside of class to study these terms. There will be vocabulary quizzes that will assess students' understanding of the vocabulary and highlight any areas of improvement before an exam. One of the biggest topics that are embedded into nearly every chapter of the course will be proofs. We will study two different types of proofs, paragraph proofs and two-column proofs. In order to be successful at proofs, a solid understanding of the vocabulary is essential. Before every content quiz and test, students are provided study materials to help prepare them. It is imperative that they do these to study so that they can see the type of questions that they will be assessed on. I also provide answer keys to these documents so that students can check their work, see my method of solving the problems, and come ask me questions before the assessment on any problems they didn't understand. The next math class that students will take after honors geometry will be Algebra 2. In order to continue on the honors level track, students must obtain an 85% in this class. Homework will look different based off of the day. There will be days when it will just be a completion worksheet where students just have to show their work and try each question and they'll get full credit. Other days, it'll just be a quick formative assessment where I ask them 4 to 5 questions to see how much they understood the lesson. Other days, I will give them a graded homework assignment where it's a worksheet that is graded off of accuracy. Finally, another way of homework is to have students watch videos, take notes, and then come to class prepared to apply what they learned in the videos. Anything that's graded for accuracy for homework, students are able to check with me ahead of time before they submit it to make sure that they have the right answers. There are a variety of assessment types in this course. At the end of the chapter, there will be a chapter exam. Within the chapter, students will have vocabulary quizzes, content quizzes, check-in assignments, exit tickets, presentations, graded classwork, and graded group work. We also try to apply the content to the real world by participating in problem-based learning. The goal at the end of the class will be for both me and the student to know how much they understood the lesson. If a student needs additional support in this class, I'm available during the following times. Tutorial, Monday through Friday, before school at 8 a.m., assuming I don't have any other meetings, and during lunch. If your child needs help on assignments, please have them contact me and I will gladly find a time to work with them one-on-one.
I'm really excited for the school year and to work with all my students. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me. The best way to reach me is through email at joneslaura@fairviewschools.org. Have a great day. Go Tigers.